Die open and the fly it die.
Okay.
So I die open it and see what inside. It's something is shaking. I die see what inside.
Happy birthday to you. To the Maxie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Morning, Matt. Still sleepy? Max? Maxie. Maxie, happy birthday. We have a surprise for you.
Can I for my eyes?
Yeah, you can close your eyes. Sit down. Up and then close your eyes.
I want to put my eyes. See? I told you.
Okay, you already close your eyes. Okay. And then turn around slowly. One more. Turn around. Turn around. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. And then open your eyes.
Ta-da! Happy birthday!
Maxie! Happy birthday!
Mama.
What did you see?
No, no. I want to open it.
You want to open it and then go there.
I want to open it.
Okay, then open it. Go. Come to that. Come down. Wow.
Look at that. So many toys. Is this for me? Careful, slide down. Whoop.
Is it your birthday, Max?
Open the small. Open the small one.
Ito na niya yung logo dun.
Wait,
Wait, wait, wait. Go ahead. Open.
Open it. This way.
And I open it. The fly it die.
Okay.
So I die open it and see what inside. It's something is shaking. I die see what inside.
Okay,
Okay.
something is shaking inside, so you gotta see.
Daddy, can you help me?
Sure.
Okay.
Something dying.
Wow!
Open it. Open more.
Whoa!
Wow!
Whoa! It's the same.
It's the same. Now you have...
2.
Wow. Can I see? Show it.
It's 2.
Show it to them. Show it to them.
It's 2.
Show it, Maxie. Show it to them.
Wow.
Wow.
It's 2.
One is color.
Purple.
And then the other one is?
White.
Wow. Yay. They are sisters.
That's
Sheep.
Let's do together. Together.
Together. Okay, go.
I help you.
Oh, they have different sound. So fun. So cool. Do you like it, Max? Say thank you to Sandra.
Thank you, Dana.
Okay. She gave this one, and Daddy gave this one. Say thank you to Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Okay.
I love you. Look at mommy. And open the other.
Okay, open the others.
But what are on the bottom?
What is this? Then pick it up, pick it up.
Wow! Uy, another unicorn! Look!
Oh, another unicorn. Oh.
Ah!
Masi, look.
The same.
Yeah, it's the same.
What did you do?
Can,
It's here. The same unicorn. The same.
yeah. Say thank you, Tito and Tita Je.
Thank you, Tita and Jen.
Wow.
Daddy, can you make a party car? And I can say party time?
Party time? Okay, later. Oh, go get
No.
go get your dress. I will fold it again.
Open it more.
Oh, they're ready.
Where this inside.
Baby. I don't know.
Wow, Maxie, open it.
Can I put it out?
Sure.
Wow.
Wow. You got 3 different colors.
Whoa.
It's from Azariah.
Thank you, Ryan.
Ryan, it's Azariah. Okay.
Wow.
My
Wow.
blue is my favorite, and yellow is your favorite, and pink is your favorite.
Blue is your favorite.
Not funny.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So they will keep it. And then, open more.
Ganda.
Why my toy up there?
It's still up there. Okay, okay.
Wait, I help you.
Can you show us? Oh, wow! Oh, be careful, Max.
And mommy, I have to fly for you.
What is it? Inopen lang din. Wow, Max, you have a...
Stop. Hold your eye. I
Okay.
have to fly for you.
Okay, sorry.
And ta-da!
Wow!
That's my jet.
Wow, it's a birthday princess.
Yeah. That's my favorite. I'm pink. I'm pink.
Oh, open it. Open. Something's inside.
I'm pink.
Can you read it?
What does it say?
It says, Happy birthday! From Kuya Caleb.
Can you open for me?
Yeah, sure.
These are all my children.
All the children.
Yeah. This is
Oh, it's
all the
nice.
children.
Open it.
This is all the children.
Wanna open it later?
Open
Masi,
the-
open the other.
Open the other. Just-
Other first.
Mm.
Then let's play that later. Maxi.
Body down.
Hi. What are you?
Body down.
Yay.
Yeah. Come here, come here.
What are you doing? Go there. Go back here.
Body down.
Maxi.
Ang galing na ano ko.
Can I play it out again?
Okay, go.
Whoa. I'm coming up.
Take it out, take it out.
Take it up.
Waiting for
Wow.
my dad.
Wow. You have another. Wow.
The last one is. Wow. So nice.
Body down.
Yay.
Can you
It's
stand
from Ate and Kuya.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Can you stand up? Ay, ang ganda ito. Ang ganda.
Oh, take that one. The small one. The small at the top. What? What
Do you
is...
like that? Can I open it the door? Oh, there's a good one to open it. Hey. No, they can.
What is that, Max?
I don't know. I need to open it.
Can you show us who's that?
I don't know.
Show it to mommy. Show it to mommy. What's that? It's zipper.
Max,
What?
can you guess what's inside?
I don't know. Maybe.
No, not that one. I mean this box.
What?
That big box. Do you know what's inside?
I want to take off the use one and stick it.
2,
Three.
3. Wow! Done.
Are you ready, Max?
Are you ready, Max?
Oh, they're my dog.
Done.
Yeah.
It's that one.
That's her mom. Whoa, that's her mom. I want to use the swimming pool. I went to the swimming pool.
You went to the swimming pool.
Yeah.
So you want to use another swimming pool? There? That one?
Yeah, I went to the swimming pool.
Do you like it, Max?
Yeah, can I open it now?
Sure.
Mom. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
And that time, I just bye.
Okay. Don't forget to...
The fly and the fly and
Don't forget to subscribe and...
and me waiting and bye.
Bye!
Bye.